What's up, guys? Biker Dave here with a subject that might be a little bit sore for some people. If you regularly have earwax issues, and I know some people like to do a Q-tip after a shower. That doesn't work for me because all it does is cram the wax up in my ear. I know it's just probably disgusting for some people, but here's what you can do. Now, this has to be done on a regular basis, unfortunately. Maybe every 6 months, maybe every year. Really depends on your situation. If you're now, you can use some sort of earwax removal drops. Drop that into your ear. Make sure you tilt your head off to the side. Let it sink in there for a while. This procedure may take a couple of days. So whatever you want to use, I think Murine is probably my earwax drops removal of choice. But beyond that, here's what you do to get the wax out of your stinking ear. I got a WaterPik. This is usually for cleaning in between your teeth. The WaterPik system, you put water in this top tank right here. Now the issue is, of course, it would run out of water. So you have to, situate it in your sink so that you can regularly, when you're ready to do this, so you can slowly run warm water, just warm, like lukewarm, and then you'll put your device in your sink so that it can be running like this. I would set it down in the bottom of the sink, of course. Okay, and then when you turn it on, let's do it. Okay, notice. And you can actually stop it with this right here. But yeah, I know it seems like a little bit much. But you would then, tilt your head into your sink. And this is not spraying so much that it's going to blow out your eardrum. That's not going to happen. So don't worry about that. This is just a small tip on the end of it. And while it is blasting, so to speak, you would spray it up in your ear. After the earwax solution has softened considerably, and you'll know it. I know you people who've got ear issues, earwax issues. You know when you have it, and you know what's going on inside your head. Or if you have pressure inside your ear because of this. After the solution has softened what's in there, this will blast it out of there, and it works every time. I know that little bulb that comes with the earwax kit, that little thing works okay, but it's just too much to deal with. It doesn't work that great every time, where this works every stinking time. And, it just takes a little bit of effort, I guess you could say, to really master this. But you can get one of these on, eBay or Amazon or whatever. It's just your basic WaterPik method. And you put the little tip on it, whichever one suits your needs, as far as, because everyone's got different size ears or different situation. But this is the way to get it flushed out of your ear canal. Like I said, it's not going to blow your eardrum out. So don't be thinking that. It's not going to happen. And that's all there is to it. I'm sorry to say, but I've had this issue for many years, where about every 6 to 8 months I have to have my ear cleaned. And I've tried all sorts of different methods and whatnot, and some of them work, some of them don't. But I'll put a link down below for the Murine ear wax cleaner, and I'll put some others that I have used personally that I think are quite good. So look for links in the description. And if you have comments on things that you have done, because I know you've had the same problem, that's why you're watching this video, feel free to to post a comment on what you've done to resolve this. And yeah, it's unfortunate and pretty gross, nasty, whatever you want to say, but you have to deal with it one way or another. And so check out my other videos. I've got all kinds of stuff, over 2,000 videos on my channel relating to working on the stuff around the house, your car, your motorcycle, your dirt bike, your ATV, your scooter, classic car, your truck, or whatever it is. All kinds of videos of how to fix things, golf cart related stuff. So check it all out. And if our video saved your life, so to speak, make sure you click the thanks button underneath the video screen and shoot us a donation. Do that for any monetized YouTube channel that helps you out or saves your life. Y'all have a good one. We'll see you.